Hi guys, welcome you to my channel. Today I will introducing you with a brand new software. Learn details from the demo next. Till then, stay with me and subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this.
Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how AIgenius works. So once you are logged in, the first thing you have to do is to click on widget and click on add widget to create your widget. So you input your widget name, okay, then you input the display name right here. Interact with us. You select your widget type, dialog, add widget. Great, and your widget will be created like this. So right here you can customize everything. Okay, you can change the button text to interact with us or any text that you want. You can select the button position, okay, the button color, right, then you click on save button, and as you can see it's changing right here. Okay, you can also customize other widget settings, the widget name, the display name, the welcome message. Okay, then you can input your email address right here, so you can set up if you want to get the customer's name and email, and click on save. Alright, so right here you can input your widget title, welcome to our website. Okay, then you put in your thank you message here, and right here you can specify the maximum recording duration. Okay, if you want it to be 60 minutes or whatever you want, so you specify your widget color right here. Okay, so then the font type, we have different font type. You can select the font style right here, the icon as well. You can input your widget icon here and click on save. Alright, you can also connect your email autoresponder to your widget. Alright, you can connect Aweber, Mailchimp and GetResponse to your widget. And now the last thing you have to do is to copy your embed code and paste it on your website. So you have to copy this and paste it before the body tag on your website, store, blog or funnel. So let me show you how that works. So this is my website, okay, and I would like to convert this website to an interactive sales and lead machine. Okay, so to do that, copy this code and paste it before the body tag and click on save. Then go to your website and reload, and as you can see right now, the interactive widget is now showing on your website, and your customers and audience can click on it to interact with you and send you a live interactive video message, voicemail and screen recording. Okay, so now they select the media, we have the voice and the video, and click on start recording, and you can choose between the video recording and the screen recording. Hello, this is AIgenius, and you input your name here and your email address. Okay, and click on send to send your interactive message to the vendor, to the merchant or to the website owner. Amazing, your message has been received, and you can also click here to create another recording. So you select the media, screen recording, and you select what you want to share audio, share. Okay, so right now you can record the part of the screen, okay, and share and send to the vendor. Okay, I would like to buy this product. May I get the full details about what this cover? All right, thank you. So then you can stop it and send to the vendor. So you put in your name here and your email address here, and click on send to send your message to the website owner. So the screen capture message has been sent, and then you can also record and send voice mail. You can send voice message directly on the website. Hello. So, and the name is going to be here and your email address right here, and click on send. It will be delivered to the website owner. Now, anytime a customer sends you a message, you're going to receive an email notification like this, and you can always go to your AIgenius to see the message. You can see the inbox, the sent, the bookmark, and the library. So all your inbox message is going to show up right here, and you can always click here to play the message like this. Can you see? So you can pause it. You can also play the screen recording. You can always click here to reply to the message directly. You can also reply to your customer's message and interact with them live. So you can send the video message, the voice message as well too. So you can see. And input your name here and your email address right here, and click on send, and your customer is going to receive your response. So as you can see, AIgenius is a powerful software, a powerful interactive AI software that allows you to turn any website, store, or blog into an interactive sales and lead machine, and accept live video messages. You can see voice recording, screen recording, etc. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you get any information from this video, then like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. If you want to buy the software, click on the link given in the description of this video.